Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Tonight, for dinner, I am making some stir-fried pepper shrimp. If you're interested to join me, stick around, we'll get started. Let's begin by defrosting our shrimp by letting them sit in cold water for about 30 minutes. There is 1 pound of shrimp here, but I am kind of restricted with my setup to use a smaller pan. Therefore, I will be just using half of it and cook maybe in 2 batches. So video recipe will be, for 1/2 pound of shrimp. Let's prepare all the vegetables for stir fry. I have 4 cloves of garlic, this much of ginger. This is a long green chili pepper, and I think I'm going to use just about the whole thing. Remember, I'm just going to make 1/2 pound for demonstration, so I'm using half of red bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper, 1 white part of green onion, For this chili pepper, I really want some heat, so I will actually use seeds, membrane and all. Okay, so let's review the vegetables. Half of yellow bell pepper, half of red bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, ginger, we have the white part of the green onion, and we have the whole green long chili. So let's make a really quick stir-fry sauce. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of water, about a teaspoon of chicken powder, around 1/2 tablespoon white pepper, and mix. I almost forgot, a tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Let's give this a quick taste. Nice. When shrimp are all defrosted, drain them and do your best to try to make them as dry as possible. Don't worry too much. A little bit of water is okay, it can evaporate by high heat. So go ahead and preheat generous couple tablespoons of sesame seed oil in a pan. Go in with aromatics, which I consider this green chili pepper to be an aromatics in this case, because we want the heat. Seeds, ginger, garlic. Make sure nothing burns. Give it a quick mix until everything is fragrant, which it is. It doesn't take much at all. I'm gonna make room in the center. Go with 1/2 pound. If you see a lot of water and liquid piling up, just bump up the heat a little bit. These are changing color nicely. We're ready to go with the bell pepper because I don't want it to be just too raw. Look at all the beautiful colors. The shrimp are about getting ready. When they're just about done, I'm going to add sauce. Going with some black pepper. Oh boy, does this smell good or what? Just going to let the sauce reduce a little bit. This is done. Well, it's taste time. Here's my version of pepper shrimp. Well, it's really nice. Not very spicy, but it's very flavorful. The bell peppers have perfect texture in my liking. They have some crunch, but they're not, raw at all, which is what I was going for. The sauce is definitely very pronounced. You can taste the white pepper, you can taste the savory mixture of soy sauce and oyster sauce. It's really good. Hopefully this encourages you to try stir-fry shrimp this way, or maybe put your own twist to it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please take care. Till next time.